Hi, I'm Inoue of Cabbage Foods. Today, I'll show you how to make simple and delicious miso soup using dried bonito flake. After having seen this video, you became to be able to do it. I promise to you. Then, let's begin it. Please prepare for this to cook very tasty miso soup. 40g dried bonito flakes, prepare quantity cabbage, 50g miso, and some kitchen papers, and 2 pots, and 1 liter of water, and chopsticks, a strainer, and a colander. That's all. At first, boil 1 liter of water. After water boiled, reduce the heat. And then put bonito flake in a pot. After that, put out the fire. Wait for 10 minutes. At this time, you should be careful not to stir it. 10 minutes later, next, strain the broth with a colander covered with some kitchen papers. At this time, don't squeeze kitchen paper. A bonito broth was completed. After that, put cabbage in the bonito broth and boil it 2 minutes to 3 minutes. After that, put out the fire and dissolve miso on a strainer. After dissolve miso in broth, put on the fire and put out the fire before boiling. Very delicious miso soup of the cabbage was completed. Today, I introduced you how to make miso soup with dried bonito and cabbage. Let's try to make a miso soup with bonito broth and your favorite ingredients, materials. Thank you for watching our channel. See you again, bye!